Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through Cherry Gardens in Kingston. It's actually in St. Andrew, but when people say Kingston, they usually just mean Kingston and St. Andrew. The association recently put in these sleeping policemen to help with the speeding in the neighborhood. You can see we're coming up to it now. And Cherry Gardens is one of the top neighborhoods in Jamaica. As you can see, some very nice homes, very quiet neighborhood. We just went over one of them. This road has a few more. Now, to get from, say, Manor Park to Barbican, you can drive through this area. It helps with the traffic, or the traffic moves faster through this area, so that's why you have a lot of people using this road. So if you were to go on the main road, you'd have a lot of traffic, but if you cut through this area, then you save a lot of time. So that's why the association put up the sleeping policemen, because the persons coming through the area, there's a lot of traffic, and anytime you have a straight road in Jamaica, you always have speeding. So they're trying to limit the speeding, or control the speeding. Okay, now we're heading down towards Shortwood Road. If we turn left, we'll go on to Shortwood Road, but we're going to turn right and go through Benson Fording, which is a gully. If we went straight, that would also be Shortwood Road, or Shortwood Drive. So now this is Benson Fording. It's a gully that runs between Cherry Gardens and Norbrook. Okay, now we're in the Norbrook area. We're turning right. We're on Shortwood Road now, and we're turning right onto Benson Avenue. If we had gone straight, we would stay on Shortwood Road, and it merges with Norbrook Road, or Norbrook Drive. So this is Norbrook, which is another top neighborhood in Jamaica. As you can see, the houses are almost as identical as the ones in Cherry Gardens. Persons always ask why these homes have such high walls. Well, it's for the security. As you can see up on the hill, they have some very nice homes, and oh, I just noticed that one up there. It's huge. Is that one house? Okay, I'm gonna stop and show you guys what I'm looking at. I'm going to zoom in because it's huge. Is this one house? Wow. And that's Norbrook Hills up there. Very nice. Okay, so we're still on Benson Avenue in Norbrook. Actually, that's Cherry Hill, because I recognize one of the homes below, the house below it. So that's Cherry Hill. Now we're gonna have to drive up there and investigate. I never realized that house was so big. Okay, as you can see, some very nice homes. Actually, some of these houses look bigger than the ones in Cherry Gardens. But Norbrook is in the top 5, but in terms of best neighborhoods in Jamaica. But Cherry Gardens is always number 1 or number 2. Every year somebody comes out with a list. I don't remember which organization, where they rank the top neighborhoods. Norbrook is always in the top 10, but Cherry Gardens is always number 1 or number 2. The top 3 is always between Millsboro, Jacks Hill, and Cherry Gardens. Okay, now we're coming up to Norbrook Drive, which is probably the most famous road in Norbrook, or most popular. If we turn left, we would head towards Olivia Road, and we're going to go right and head towards Manor Park. Norbrook has good roads. I must say they have nicer roads than Cherry Gardens. The two areas have the same member of parliament, but they have 2 different councillors. So the councillor in Norbrook has, clearly has done a better job with the roads. I don't know why that is. This road is used a lot more though, because it leads from Manor Park. As I said, whenever the main roads there's a lot of traffic, persons use these roads to bypass the traffic. Okay, now this section of Norbrook Drive has a lot of apartments and townhouses. On the left, on the right, some under construction. The lots in this area were bigger than the regular lot you would find in Norbrook or Cherry Gardens. So you find developers would buy the lot, and it's so big you can build an apartment complex. On the left, that is where you had the grill gate. That's Constant Spring Golf Club. Okay, take a look at this lot. Just look at the fence, where it starts and where it ends, and that will give you an idea of how big it is. Okay, look at this high wall here now, and that will give you an idea of how big this lot is. So it's easy for them to put up apartments and townhouses, and the developers make a lot more money. Where you put up one house, sell it for probably 80 million. You put up 10 townhouses or 10 apartments, you can sell one for 45 million. Big difference in the money, or I should say a big difference in the profit margin. Here on the left you have a very nice complex. We're not going to call the names of the individual complexes though, there are a lot. And we're not going to point out the homes of famous people for privacy reasons. But a lot of government persons, government ministers, they live in the Cherry Gardens area. The Prime Minister, however, lives in Beverly Hills, but everybody knows his house. It was a hot topic during one of the elections. Pictures were put in the newspaper. I think every Jamaican has seen a picture of his house, and it's a very nice house. Alright guys, well, we're heading towards Constant Spring Road now, which is in the Manor Park area. So thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.